Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Dune Awakening DirectX error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and just make your way over to the search bar and type in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then you can go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now once this is done installing, you guys should be good to go with the error, fix. The second thing you guys can do is by updating it from NVIDIA app, your drivers from NVIDIA app, go over to drivers and then update it from here. It should say download if you have any updates. If you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app, or you can just manually install it from a browser of your choice. So just go over to Google or something and then just type in AMD drivers, and then if you go to the website, you can install it from there as well. But anyways, once you do this, I highly recommend restarting your PC as well, and once you are fully done, you guys should be good to go, and that should be it for the video. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.